Audio Jungle. Show you how to make chicken Manchurian. In my previous recipe I cooked the egg fried rice, so you need chicken Manchurian sauce along to go with that. So I thought I'd share both recipes with you, but in separate videos. So here I've got some as you can see, this is chicken cubes, boneless. It's about just a little bit less than 1 kilogram. I've got some, I'm going to marinate this with few ingredients and then going to fry them separate and then make the sauce separate. So this is about 75 grams of chicken cubes, and here I've got 1 beaten egg, some black pepper, and this is some corn flour and some white flour mixed together, and some soya sauce and some normal salt. And I would prefer to add some Chinese salt as well. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this egg in there. So I'm going to show you the ingredients of the chicken first, and so that you don't mix up things, and then I'm going to show the sauce separately. So I'm adding some black pepper, this is corn flour and some white flour, some Ajinomoto Chinese salt and some normal salt, and some soya sauce, little bit of soya sauce, and then I'm going to just mix that. So after mixing this properly, I would suggest if you leave that in the fridge for about 15 minutes before we deep fry this chicken. So I'm going to put this in the fridge now for 15 minutes. You can see the oil is ready. It's quite hot and warm now, so I'm going to just add one piece at a time and just fry that on full flame. So now you can see all the chicken. Got some black pepper. This is a corn flour which I dissolved it in some water. I'm going to use in the end. Some brown sugar, 1 cup ketchup. This is white vinegar, some ginger and some garlic chopped, some chili garlic sauce and some soya sauce, and some normal salt and Chinese salt. Ginger garlic, not too much, just saute ginger garlic in some oil in a big pan, and then as it's fried, ketchup and ginger garlic and black pepper, burnt, some brown sugar, burnt, and white vinegar, and some chili garlic sauce according to your taste, soya sauce, both salts, Chinese salt and normal salt. Chinese salt is optional, you don't have to use it if you don't want to or you don't have it available. So now I'm going to just cook this sauce a little bit on high flame, so all the sauces are mixed together. After the sauce is cooked, I'm going to add some hot water, little bit, just to make a bit of sauce, not too runny, not too thick. So I'm going to thicken up with some corn flour. And now I'm going to add this corn flour, which I dissolved earlier in some water, and then cook it a bit more. And here on the other hob, you can see this is a hot plate that you see in Chinese restaurants. So I'm going to serve my Manchurian on that hot plate. The sauce is thickened. I have added the chicken I fried earlier into the sauce and just simmer it for a few seconds. I don't want the sauce to get too thick, so I have to switch off the flame very soon. This is nearly done. Now I'm going to just take my Manchurian out and you can see the sizzling sound, and it's yummy and delicious. So please do like my page Fuzzy's Fantastic Food and like my page on Facebook Fuzzy's Fantastic Food. Enjoy this recipe, share your recipe with all your friends and family. Thank you very much.